In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color a PowerPoint background. Whether you're preparing for a business presentation, a class project, or just wanting to add a personal touch to your slides, changing the background color can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your presentation. So, grab your coffee and let's dive into the world of PowerPoint to give your slides a fresh new look. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. It's where all the magic happens. If you're using a PC, you'll typically find it by searching for PowerPoint in your computer's search bar. Mac users, you'll find it in the Applications folder. Once you've launched PowerPoint, we're ready for the next step. Now let's open the file you wish to work on. Navigate to the File tab located at the top left corner of your screen, click on it and then click Open. Browse through your documents to find the PowerPoint presentation you want to modify. If you've recently worked on the file, it might also appear in the Recent tab, making it even quicker to open. Select the file and let it load. Next, you're going to right-click on the page or slide that you want to change the background color of. If your presentation has multiple slides and you want to apply the change to just one, make sure you're on the right slide. Right-clicking anywhere on the slide's background will open a contextual menu. This is your gateway to customization. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Format Background. Go ahead and click on it. This action opens the Format Background pane on the right side of your screen. This is where you can play with various background settings to get the desired look for your slide. Looking at the Format Background pane, you'll notice a section titled Fill. Underneath Fill, find and click on Color. This is where the fun begins. You're now at the doorstep of a vast color palette waiting for your command. Upon clicking Color, you'll be greeted with a drop-down menu full of color choices. These range from theme colors, which are matched to your current PowerPoint template, to standard colors, which are a set of common colors that are always available regardless of the template. If you have a specific color in mind, you might want to use the More Colors option, which will allow you to pick virtually any color you desire, either through RGB sliders or color codes. Feel free to experiment and click around until you find a color that suits your presentation's theme or your personal taste. Once you've selected your preferred color, PowerPoint will immediately apply it to the background of your slide, allowing you to see the change in real time. Play around with different colors until you're satisfied with how it looks. Remember, the background color can significantly impact the readability and emotional tone of your presentation, so choose wisely. After choosing the perfect background color, you might want to apply it to all slides in your presentation for a consistent look. To do this, simply navigate to the Apply to All button located at the bottom of the Format Background pane. Clicking this button will apply the selected background color to every slide in your presentation, ensuring uniformity. And just like that, you've successfully changed the background color of your PowerPoint slides, giving your presentation a personal touch or a more professional look, depending on the color you chose. Remember, PowerPoint presentations are a powerful tool for communicating ideas, and the visual aspect of your slides plays a crucial role in keeping your audience engaged. Changing the background color is just one of many ways to customize your slides and make them stand out. Feel free to revisit any step in this tutorial if you need a refresher, and don't be afraid to experiment with different colors to find the one that best fits your message and audience. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to color your PowerPoint background. Whether you're preparing for an important business meeting, a classroom presentation, or just want to make your slides more aesthetically pleasing, I hope this guide has been helpful. Keep exploring and experimenting with PowerPoint's vast array of features to create stunning presentations that captivate and inform. Happy presenting!